Hi, my name is Natalie Narvaez. You can see animation. This is an application has been created in Adobe Animate CC. It has use of frame the change over time. If we want to modify the time in which the frame is executed, then you can click on frame and press F5. In this activity to draw the world, when have used the pen tool in this option, I like to make the line bold change color in the animation. Would you like to see the animation? Okay, if I press the play button, this is animation, but this animation is in progress. I would like to put other objects and they use shadows in the animation. You can write your comments about the video. Tell me, how is the animation? Okay, next opportunity. Bye.